Welcome to the third part of 16 home remedies for weight loss. In the last two parts, we got to know 8 drinks to help lose weight. In this part, we will get to know 4 more drinks. Yogurt and coriander smoothie. Yogurt can be a nutritious choice, regardless of its type, because it contains protein, calcium, and probiotics. Greek yogurt, due to its high protein content, can help in weight loss. The protein in Greek yogurt can increase the feeling of satiety, control blood sugar levels, and prevent weight gain. Cucumber helps to create a sense of satiety due to its high water content. This property makes the person receive fewer calories and as a result helps to lose weight. The results of various studies have shown that ginger can increase the body's metabolism and thereby cause weight loss. Green pepper has 0 calories. Up to 3 hours after eating, they increase a person's metabolism by 50%. So it is great for weight loss. Also, the cumin in this smoothie has low calories and it increases the body's metabolism. This low-calorie smoothie will keep you full for a long time, which is the main reason for weight loss. Grapefruit and honey smoothie. Grapefruit is a useful fruit for weight loss. The fiber in it helps to make you feel full. In addition, grapefruit has a lot of water, which is also useful in weight loss. A study of 91 obese people concluded that those who consumed half a fresh grapefruit before a meal lost significantly more weight compared to those who did not eat grapefruit. Appetite control is another property of grapefruit. Also, many people have claimed that the smell of grapefruit has a great effect on reducing people's appetite. By eating this fruit, in addition to fiber, you get more than 15 types of vitamins and minerals. Honey contains minerals such as iron, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, and calcium. Honey also has vitamins that include folate, niacin, riboflavin, vitamin C and vitamin B6, as well as small amounts of selenium, protein, fiber, and amino acids. Honey helps boost metabolism, which helps burn more fat. It is said that honey has a low glycemic index due to its high fructose content. A study conducted on diabetics showed that consumption of natural honey leads to weight loss. However, researchers advised diabetics to be cautious when consuming honey because it can cause a significant increase in the level of hemoglobin A. Honey acts as a probiotic that cleanses your digestive system and removes toxic waste from your body. It was also found that the consumption of honey reduces the percentage of fat in the body. Therefore, it may help prevent metabolic syndrome-related diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure. I will record a separate video about the many benefits of honey later. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. Milk and cinnamon. Milk is a rich source of calcium. Calcium is also a factor that stimulates fat metabolism, which will eventually lead to fat reduction in the body. According to research, the more calcium a fat cell contains, the more fat it will burn in the shortest possible time. Drinking milk can stimulate a hunger-fighting hormone called a peptide, keeping you fuller for longer. 1 cup of whole milk contains 8.14 grams of protein. Consuming protein will increase metabolism, increase satiety, reduce belly fat, and lower blood pressure. Also, milk is a low-calorie drink. Consuming cinnamon can greatly neutralize the negative effect of eating fatty foods in the body. Cinnamon also has many properties, such as anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and by improving the function of the human body's immune system and consequently helping the process of food digestion in the body. It greatly helps him in losing weight. Cinnamon also plays a significant role in reducing blood glucose levels. Iced tea. Tea has a large amount of caffeine, which has been proven to increase metabolism. Caffeine can speed up lipolysis, which is the act of breaking down stored fats and metabolizing them. Mint leaves help to lose weight healthily. Research shows that mint helps stimulate digestive enzymes and converts fats into usable energy. I think most of you are familiar with the properties of lemon for weight loss. The fiber in lemon can reduce appetite and make a person feel full, thus preventing weight gain and overeating. It also contains antioxidants, which help the cells metabolize properly. This process can be effective in increasing the body's energy level and reducing excess weight. We have talked about honey and milk in the same video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. If you have any questions or comments, I will be happy if you leave me a comment.